What's up, everybody? In this video, I've got two quick unboxings here. One of them, a letter sent to me from Madness, sent to the P.O Box. We're going to find out what's inside of that. And I've also got a small unboxing here, which I purchased online. These are two cool coins that I can't wait to bust open. So what do you say we buckle up, boys and girls? Let's do this thing. First thing I just want to open up here is the letter to my P.O Box from Madness here. Let's see what we got. Hopefully we got some stickers. And while I'm opening this, I'll just let you know, if you got a sticker for your channel, I want it. I definitely want to get my hands on it, and that's what it looks like we got here. So let me set this aside. Silver Madness. That's so cool. I like that matte finish there, dude. Very cool indeed. Like I said, if you got a sticker for your channel, for your whatever, I want to get my hands on it as well. I'll send you one of mine right here. Silver Madness. I'm gonna bust open this letter here. Let's read this together, find out what we got. MunkeySpaz, looking for a sticker trade. Great videos, live streams, and content. Thanks and take care, Paul. Awesome, Paul. Thank you so much, buddy. I'll have a couple of those out to you in the mail this week, man. Very cool. Let me get this off to the side here. And let's get into the little box that I picked up online. Well, this isn't a box. This is more like a package, right? So let us slice it and dice it. See what we got inside of it. Two coins, it looks like, wrapped up in tissue. Well, I've seen better packaging, that's for sure. All right, and what do we got here? But a 2019 Silver Krugerrand. Wow. If you're into collecting silver coins, I feel like the Silver Krugerrand is one of those pieces that you have to own, right? This one here is 3 nines fine, 999 fine silver, but I gotta tell you, it's kind of boring. Not for nothing, I mean, it's a Krugerrand, right? It's a cool coin, but it's a Krugerrand. So definitely a staple in the stack. It's like having an American Eagle or a Maple Leaf, just certain coins you should definitely own. And we've got another one here, 2019 Silver Krugerrand. Nice boring design, but a very cool piece of silver nonetheless. Bummer it didn't come in capsules, so I'll have to grab some capsules for this. Maybe I'll give one of these away this month on the live show. So if you're not already aware, every single Wednesday, 7 o'clock Eastern, I go live. I give away lots of cool silver, give away currency from around the world, and not for nothing, we have a fun time. We have some auctions, we talk a lot of smack. It's a really good time. So that's really all I got for you guys in this video. If you like the coins that you see here and you want to see more just like it, click that subscribe button down below, mash that like button, and let's try to break that share button. I'm sure we can do it. But that's it. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, everybody.